Good morning, happy Valentine's Day.
Good morning.
What do you think about this robot?
Cool.
Do you love how it turned out? You did a great job.
Look.
Yeah. Little heart. That's where the Valentines will go.
All the stuff.
Winston's really concerned that there might be one that's too big to fit in there. I don't think so. Yours might be the biggest. Okay, we're gonna put these in a bag. Winston said that might be a little bit easier.
I won't let it out of there.
Yeah, to get it out, we're gonna have to take this guy apart. I didn't even think about that. Or we could just actually open the back because there's like a seam and then we can just cut it. Okay, well not until your Valentines are in there. And then you can put this guy somewhere if you want, but I like it. Layla didn't sleep well last night, so she was up until like 2 in the morning, so she's still sleeping. This one partied way too hard. The hair and her makeup, so hilarious. We've got to get like our sleeping schedule figured out. Anyways, I'm getting the best Valentine's Day present because they're coming to put shutters in my house. So we have them just right here, or in the living room, in the kitchen, up in my office, and today we're getting them on this whole main level, and then we're also doing like the room upstairs, like that living room upstairs, and Braylee's bedroom. We're not doing any shutters downstairs, they just have the regular blinds. But in the front of my house, my windows are my like garage windows, so we're actually putting shutters in the garage, which seems so silly, but I'm just afraid that it might look weird if we didn't. So just from the outside, I don't know. Now I'm like, what was I thinking? But we're getting shutters in the garage too. So silly, but it will look good from here. That sounds terrible. Layla thinks it's hilarious that that squeaks like that, but anyways, so that's what's happening today. I'm trying to figure out what to do for like dinner and stuff for the kids. Gage and Casey are gone, so it's just gonna be me and the kiddos tonight. I think Braylee's having a friend over. She has a cheer dance, like a dance that the cheerleaders put on for a fundraiser tomorrow, so she has a friend that's coming over to stay the night. And so I need to figure out, I want to do something fun for dinner. Just got this little delivery from Casey. How cute is that? They're so pretty. When Layla saw this, she was like, can I hug him right now? And some chocolates. Yum. Oh, Daddy's calling. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy birthday.
Hello? I don't think he meant to call us. That was definitely an accidental call. And it sounded like he was actually having a conversation. So we'll call him later. Maybe he'll see that he called us. I have a bunch of crafts from the Dollar Tree, and I got some different Valentine's things because, you know, thought that I would get around to that, and I didn't. So now me and Layla are gonna go through and see what we want to make. The good thing is, like, a lot of the stuff that I did get that was gonna kind of be like Valentine's Day inspired, I can still do for like the spring, because I wanted to do like something with flowers, but I didn't want to do like red and pink. I wanted to do these colors, so it'll still work. So I'm still gonna make them.
I want to paint a pumpkin.
You want to paint a pumpkin? We don't have pumpkins, but we have hearts. Look at these ones. You want to paint these hearts? We can paint the back of them. Layla's watching old videos. Okay, let's see what else we have. Layla's working on some Valentines down there. I'm gonna paint this. I found these at the dollar store. They're super cute. I like them just like this, actually. I think that they're adorable, but I'm gonna paint this one white and then like sand this so that this shows through, and maybe I will probably have to go over it with like some black paint or a marker or something too, but that's what I'm gonna do right now. And to paint this, I'm using this Waverly chalk paint in the color Plaster. Should just be like, you know, white, that color. I have an ivory too, but I think I want to do white. my sweaters are so pretty. I even got them in here. And they're done. I think they're done with like everything inside. They're just doing the garage now. My bedroom. Oh, you want Anna and Elsa?
What's this?
Let's go out and look at them, okay? We just picked Winston up from school. We're gonna check out his Valentines.
Please buy it for me, Mama.
Winston got it for you. Did someone knock?
No.
They're also in the office.
Mom.
So pretty. How was your day?
Good.
Let's see what Valentines you got. We cut a hole in the back of the robot here so that Winston could take it out, and then if we want to, we can take it back up if they want to play with it. Look at all those Valentines. Holy moly. Mom. Wow. You did get some big ones. Oh, cute. Cookie. Holy cow.
Oh yeah, if I say you can have stuff, you can have stuff. You
That's
can
nice.
have this.
Oh, that's nice to share.
And you can have the sucker.
Thank you, Winston.
Welcome. A pink cookie. Pink cookie. What's the? I don't know. Mom, it's this.
Let's see. So it looks like a glow stick. Star Wars.
But that's
Yoda.
yeah. Oh my god.
Have I ever told you guys that I've never seen Star Wars? Never. None of them.
Yeah.
These are the chocolates that I got with the stuff that Casey had delivered. They're so good. I've eaten like 6 already.
Okay.
But I think that that makes for a pretty great Valentine's Day. Okay, we're not gonna open all of the candy. Okay, that's all. Okay. Look how nice Winston is to share. You're the sweetest boy.
Open.
Looks like you'll have lots of candy if you want to have a movie night. Looks like you have lots of good treats.
Could I have goldfish? Could I have gold?
We're back together again. Everyone's home, everyone's here, and we are continuing our Valentine's Day celebration by going to our lobster for dinner.
Is that what we're doing? Celebrating Valentine's Day?
Yes,
I love
together as a family.
Layla loves
You
dinner.
love dinner? Sing.
Hi. Hi guys.
Hi guys, we can't see you. Hi.
So we should.
Layla, you want to go in there? Braylee. Don't, Braylee. Not funny. I'll dump you in there. You want me to dump you in there? Yeah. Come here. Braylee, let me see. Oh my gosh. Cute. Oh my gosh. Did you guys plan that to wear the same outfit? Cute. I like it. Oh my gosh.
They're in this.
Do you know what I know? It's so funny. Gage came into my bathroom and was like, Mom, you should wear the same sweatshirt as me. Did you know Braylee had it on? Darn, I missed out.
Did you like that drink too?
Clams are born. No.
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 It's so cute how you guys are sitting by each other and twinning and also got a meal to share.
Everything I'm getting.
I did order the exact same thing.
I was like, Gabe's gonna copy what drink I get. And I was like, can I get a raspberry lemonade? He was like, can I get a raspberry lemonade?
I got one that has 2 in it.
Oh, you won, dude. You won. One dinner.
Look, once in a lifetime chance. These guys are twins. Wow. Can you comment down below how the twins name are? Hey!
What'd you get for dinner? What did you order?
No, on the bed.
Noodles and spaghetti. We're back from dinner. We're getting in the hot tubby. I love this swimsuit. It's from Shabby Apple. I don't know if they still have any. I got it last summer, but I just think it's so cute and flattering. Yeah, I'm getting in. Is everyone ready? Sounds like a great way to end the night. Getting in the hot tub. It's been a while. Thank you. We really only get in the hot tub when Casey's here because he like tests all the different levels. He like runs it all. We should really have beach towels, not our just regular towels, because then they smell like chlorine. You know? Who's ready? Let's get in, okay. It's so cold. Here we go. What? Okay. Hurry. Casey's fixing something quick in the hot tub. It was snowing and it stopped. It's always fun to be in the hot tub when it's snowing. That's my favorite. I saw someone posted today. I'm gonna close the store. Someone posted today that they were in their hot tub and it was like sunny where they lived in Utah. So it was still super cold, but I just thought I should get in the hot tub during the day sometimes and feel the sunshine, you know, because it's just so good for you to feel like this. We did have some popsicles, you're right. They are all gone, yeah. Popsicles don't last very long around here, even though. Okay, we're gonna go get in. You ready, girl? We're gonna hop in the hot tub. Hope you guys all had such a happy Valentine's Day, and thanks for hanging out with us. We will see you next time. Bye.